Swedish Prime Minister Magdalena Andersson announced on Monday the official decision to start the process of the country's application to become a member of the North Atlantic Treaty Organization. The Prime Minister said Sweden's NATO ambassador in Brussels will submit the country's NATO application within the next few days. The application will be submitted together with Finland. On Monday, Swedish government has also decided a bill that will make it possible for Sweden to receive military support from all European Union and NATO countries.